And we are here at HPE Discover with NVIDIA, doing some amazing work with HPE in enterprise transformation. Jason, how are you?
Doing great. Awesome to be here at HPE Discover.
Yeah, good to see you. Before we dive in, maybe introduce yourself and your team within NVIDIA and tell us about your role.
Sure. Jason Schradel, Director of Enterprise Platforms at NVIDIA in the Enterprise Product Group. And we work closely with HPE in taking their AI factories to market. So really excited to be partnering with HPE to deliver AI factories, both turnkey AI factories, at-scale AI factories, and sovereign AI factories to our customers globally.
Amazing. Well, you have a ton of incredibly powerful hardware behind you, but of course, the key is solutions these days, and you have a ton on display here, jointly developed with partners and others. Tell us about what's on display.
So here we're showcasing for some hardware. If you can see here in the background, folks stopping by to take pictures of the hardware, featuring both some of the high-end systems with our NVIDIA Vera Rubin NVL72 systems. You can see that here showcased, as well as our new NVIDIA Vera CPU. And HP is taking those to market together with both the HP Cray systems, as well as now HP ProLiant with Vera CPU. And then you have, we're featuring here NVIDIA networking. So you'll have both the NVIDIA Spectrum X switches, Spectrum X Ethernet switches. We're showcasing specifically here the Spectrum 6, as well as BlueField 4 DPU. Again, part of the HP AI factory with NVIDIA portfolio. And then finally, here on the right-hand side, we have some of our enterprise systems, which are taking to market out through all of the HP AI factory with NVIDIA, to include both the RTX Pro 6000 as well as the RTX Pro 4500 Blackwell Server Edition GPUs. So those, from a hardware standpoint, those are some of the things we're featuring, both from the very large-scale systems, the NVL72 systems now with Vera Rubin NVL72, our Vera CPU, NVIDIA networking, all the way to the RTX Pro data center systems.
Amazing. What a portfolio. I mean, incredible to see everything on display. And this is quite a unique partnership between HPE and NVIDIA in the enterprise. Tell us about your go-to-market and the many, many channels and verticals that you're serving.
So we truly are serving a global customer base across many different segments, which includes a wide range of different industries. And you saw some of those joint customer successes featured in Antonio Neri's keynote this morning. Yes. So there were customers, for example, like St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital, like the Dallas Cowboys, like the Riders Cup, but also large-scale deployments at customers like Siemens Energy and AI clouds like Vultr. So we have customers across multiple different segments, multiple different geographies, and real excited to be partnering with HP to bring these solutions to market and to see the customer momentum and making AI real in production for the agentic AI era with HPE.
That's fantastic. And I understand your bio is fascinating. You worked with HPE in early stage in your career, right, and now you're back. What's been the most eye-opening or exciting thing in your collaboration with HPE as you discovered, pun intended, so many of these solutions and partners and capabilities?
Well, I think for me, I mean, what's exciting is really see the whole portfolio come together in full stack AI factory solutions. So when I was at HP, I worked closely with the software team there in building out joint solutions, hybrid cloud solutions, AI solutions. And now we have a very close partnership. We're co-engineering, co-developing systems together with HP and their AI factory, including the HP Private Cloud AI, which is a turnkey AI factory that includes NVIDIA AI software, it includes NVIDIA accelerated computing and NVIDIA networking, together with HP systems and the private cloud experience that HP brings to market, together with all of the engineering know-how and expertise to build those solutions and make them available to customers so they can get up and running very quickly in a turnkey solution. But we're also doing that in our at-scale AI factory solutions and our sovereign AI factory solutions, really bringing together the full portfolio with NVIDIA AI software, NVIDIA accelerated computing, and NVIDIA networking, together with HP systems, HP servers, HP storage, and some of the HP capabilities that they're bringing to market in customer relationships out through their channel partner ecosystem, including ISVs. For example, the Unleash AI ISV ecosystem program with third-party software companies. For example, we're featured here partners like Dataiku and others that we're working together with HP to bring solutions to market that are built on that full stack AI factory portfolio.
Oh, so exciting. And of course, every enterprise in the world is going to start leveraging these platforms and technologies. What other particular verticals that you're really intrigued by? I see banking and financial services and telecom and healthcare on display here. But what are you particularly excited about?
Yeah, that's right. We have a demo here we're showcasing together with one of our partners. I mentioned Dataiku in financial services. We also are featuring solutions in the telco space. For example, the HPE AI Grid with NVIDIA, which was highlighted in the keynote this morning. But there are a really wide range of different customer segments we're addressing. For example, in manufacturing, I mentioned Siemens Energy as an example, or in life sciences and in healthcare. Again, I mentioned St. Jude Children's Hospital as an example. Across the board, we're seeing fantastic adoption of AI. Even though it's still very early for AI in the enterprise, we're seeing customers like Roche and others that are taking these solutions and building them out at scale with their HPE AI factory with NVIDIA.
Amazing. And of course, we are in the early innings, but things are moving so fast. And NVIDIA is just investing literally billions and billions in innovation and R&D. Give us a little peek ahead over the weeks, months, year. What are you excited about as we look at the NVIDIA roadmap and that with HPE?
Yeah, there are a few key themes actually Antonio talked about in the keynote this morning. So I think certainly, Vera Rubin is here. The Vera Rubin platform is the next generation of AI factory for the agentic era. And Vera CPU, again, is the CPU purpose-built for the era of agents. So those are key themes and key opportunities we think going forward for this next generation of AI factories. But combine that with confidential computing is another key technology that we see really as critical to protect the model weights for model providers, but also the data on premise. And so as organizations look to deploy AI at scale, particularly in a hybrid environment, where they have some of that, the AI inferences on-prem, some of it may be in a cloud environment. Confidential computing is critical, particularly as you look to bring those models to the data and deploy them on-prem. So that's another key theme. But the other one I want to highlight is our agent toolkit and the work that we're doing together with HPE, with NVIDIA NemoClaw and NVIDIA OpenShell, and really taking that to market and building that into all of the HPE AI factory with NVIDIA solutions, including what was showcased in the keynote with HP Private Cloud AI with NemoClaw and OpenShell, but now it'll be available across the HPE AI factory with NVIDIA portfolio.
Wow, what a blockbuster day. You're an incredible spokesman for NVIDIA and the partnership with HPE. Congratulations and more success onwards and upwards.
Great. Thank you, Evan.
Thanks so much.